Hey guys, on August 5th, Samsung announced 5 new devices. Galaxy Watch 3 was one of them. So today we are gonna unbox it and take a look at this new watch. As you see, the box is very different from the one that Samsung used to release their watches in. It is a long one and reminds Apple Watch box compared to the boxy square looking one that they had before. The one model that I have here is a 41mm watch, and we are unboxing it right now. So we do get to see the watch right away, but let's see what do we have in the insert first. The insert comes with just a charger. There is no charging block. Comes in the box, so you just get the cord with the magnetic charging pad. That is the standard charging pad that Samsung is using for their watches. So if you had the previous version of the watch, you can just use the old charger, but it's exactly the same one. The watch comes in two sizes. There is a 41mm and a 45mm. The one that I got here is a Mystic Bronze color. It comes only in 41mm. There are two models of the watch. One is a Bluetooth only, and one is the Bluetooth plus cellular. And the cellular one you can pre-order right now, and the Bluetooth one you can get from Samsung. The watch is beautifully built. It comes with a leather strap, and the model that I have here is a Bluetooth one. This watch has 1.2-inch screen and 247 milliampere battery, so the watch probably won't last you too long, possibly a day, maybe two, for just the Bluetooth variation with no cellular connection. If you compare it to the Galaxy Watch Active 2, they look very similar. Active 2 is missing that rotating bezel that Galaxy Watch 3 brings back from the classic version of the watch that they had a couple of years back. The Active 2 had the a rotating bezel, but it was a digital one, and obviously the Watch 3 has the physical one that you can turn. And let's power on the device. The watch comes with IP68 water resistance rating, so you can take it for a swim. It also comes with 8 GB of storage, so you can download music on it and take it for a run with music uploaded to it. And it runs Tizen OS 5.5 version. I am gonna be creating a separate video comparing the Galaxy Watch Active 2 to this Galaxy Watch 3 model to see what are the differences between these models, if it's gonna make sense for people who are considering to upgrade from an Active 2 to Watch 3. If you guys want to see anything specific in the video, please mention it below, and please subscribe to the channel so you could see more videos. Bye for now.